Shattered backboard glass on the hardwood finish. Lil' Poppy seed had to eat my spinach. White button with the black top, prepared for a sentence. Ducking meals in the pinch, feel like repentance, but that time can't get replenished. Facing the flaws right before the Lord bring his hand in me still. Looking for signs for my dog, he reaching insanity. Ran it up, I done ran it down, every offer I handed out. Parted from the sea, now my family take the slanted route. Everybody eating, ain't shit for me to be mad about. Give a dog a bone, got the little niggas all bragging out. Tempted like a tantrum, bigger licks, lead them examples. Better recognize, nigga, before I leave your shit in shambles. And the candles getting blown like your ashes. Rose from the dust, I struck with matches. A pole tucked the roll stuffed in the mattress. Address isn't foreign to an acid if you grab it. Charismatic for the cash, I'm an addict. Pull a switch, fully automatic. Absorb your swag like a sponge, but they dumb as Patrick. It's dumb to talk like you the toughest till you pull a ratchet. You niggas quick to grab a blick, I guess I'm more like Cassius.